Good morning, children. Welcome back to English class. So, in the last two sessions, we discussed A reading from workbook and textbook, right? I hope you have learned all. So, prepare well for FA1 exam. I think you know that, right? We have only two lessons, reading A and reading B for FA1 exam. What is reading A? Snake and mirror. Reading B, the duck and kangaroo. Okay, so in today's session, we'll see B reading revision. Everybody open your workbooks, open page number 19. First, we'll learn the meanings. Okay, so I'll just read it. You also read along with me. So, first set of words that comes under nouns. First one is ride. Ride means a short journey. The Dee and the Jelly Bolly. Wonderful places imagined by the poet. Reflection. Reflection means thought or careful thought. Rheumatism. Rheumatism means a disease that makes the muscles and joints painful. Worsted socks. Worsted socks means woolen socks. Web feet. Feet that have toes connected by a membrane. Cloak. CLOAK. Cloak means a coat that protects from cold. Next, long. Long means want or wish very much. Here the meaning of long is want or wish very much. Hop. Hop means move by jumping. Ride. To be carried or supported by. Okay, so these are verbs. Long, hop, ride are verbs. Next one. Bold. Bold means here frank. Nasty means unpleasant, which is not good. Pale, low or dull. Steady, remaining in the same position. These are adjectives. Okay, children. So from this poem, you will get, for poems, choreography script will be asked. So we'll see the choreography script. Page number 22. Open page number 22 in your workbooks. So just read it. Okay. First, choreography script means it's like question and answers form. First question must be like, how do we begin the poem? See here, like this format only. From here onwards, your answer must be like, how do we begin the poem? Understood, children? How do we begin the poem? You should write the questions and answers. That's called choreography script. Okay. So how do we begin the poem? Sing the poem 3 or 4 times to register the tune and rhythm. Sing the poem 3 or 4 times to register the tune and rhythm. Next question. What are the characters in the poem? So in the poem, what are the characters? You know that, right? Only 2 characters. The duck and the kangaroo. Third one. What is the theme of the poem? Main theme. What is the main idea of the poem? The duck wanted to go around the world, right? So, wish of the duck to go around the world. Fourth one. What is the theme of each stanza? Actually, in that poem, how many stanzas we have? 5 stanzas. See, overall theme of the poem, duck wanted to roam all over the world. Each and every stanza theme also we have to write. So that was given in the box, right? That was given in the box. So observe that box. In that form only you have to write in your exam. So what is the first stanza? Wish of the duck to hop and go round the world. Second one. Requesting the kangaroo to take her for a ride. Third one. Conditional acceptance of the kangaroo. Fourth one, assurance of comfort from the duck side. Fifth one, fulfillment of desire. So like this, you have to write the theme of each and every stanza. Next, write all those questions. Okay. So look at 9th one. Presentation of the choreography on the stage. So how you have to present it? The chorus team sings the poem. The characters perform their actions. The action of the duck and the kangaroo expressing boredom, wish, discomfort, joy, etc. The actions related to miming facial expressions and gestures. actions related to hopping, sitting, walking and jumping. So these are the choreographic actions which we have to present on the stage. First one, the chorus team will sing the song. Chorus team means you know that, right? In the TVs we observe that. Okay, so some people like 3 or 4 members will be there. They'll sing the song from the background. Okay, those are called as chorus team. The characters perform their actions, that means they dance. And what kind of actions do they present on the stage? The action of the duck and the kangaroo, like expressing both the wish, discomfort, joy, all miming and facial expressions. And actions must be related to hopping, sitting, walking and jumping. Okay, like that you have to mention the actions. So that is about choreography script. Okay, open page number 28. This is from A reading. We'll do this one. I'll just tell one example. First one, paragraph is given. So answers like who is I in the passage? I means who in the passage? Doctor. Second one, what was the familiar noise? The familiar noise was that of the rats running around his house. Third one, what do you think he lighted? Why do you think he lighted the kerosene lamp? He lighted the kerosene lamp because his house was not electrified. Not electrified means what? There is no electricity in the house. Do you think the doctor was rich or poor? He was poor. That's why he was living in a small rented room. Right? Yes. Okay, like that paragraph questions you have to answer. Now, turn the pages. Page number 34. Fourth question, look at that. Narrate the thoughts of the doctor after taking an oil bath. How long have I to be lonely? Shall I continue to be a bachelor throughout? No, that shouldn't happen. I have to select a bride as early as possible. Better a doctor, because I'm also a doctor. She must have plenty of money and good medical practice. She should be fat. It's an advantage for me. If I commit any silly mistake and need to run away, she should not be able to run after me to catch. So I should look more handsome. I'll shave daily and grow a thin mustache to look more handsome. When I look into the mirror, it's very attractive. I'll try to keep that look. Moreover, my smile is very attractive, so I have to maintain it. See how I look when I part my hair. So beautiful. So like this, so we discussed all these in the lesson, right? So after taking bath, he went and stood in front of the mirror. He started thinking about himself. So he wanted to be like a bachelor for furthermore. He wanted to get married. So of course he wanted to marry a doctor. She should be very fat, because if he is going to do any silly mistake, she will not be able to run after him. She will not be able to catch him. That's why. And her earnings also should be very high, so that he need not to do much work. For that reason, he wanted to look handsome. He wanted to bring thin mustache and wanted to neatly part his hair. All those decisions, right? So you can describe about all of his thoughts. Is it clear, children? Yes. Now let's see another question. So only 2 readings you have, children. So C reading you need not to read. So from A and B readings we have done everything, I think. Yes, children, we have done everything. Page number 45. Look at that. Prepare a poster using the information given below by arranging it in a proper sequence. So like this, some information highlights are given. By using that information, you have to design a poster. So this one is already given, I think, in your workbook itself. Let's see that one. Yes, page number 360. World Environment Day. There is a poster. World Environment Day. There is a poster. Look at that poster. Already hints are given in your question. Okay, look at that hints once again. and look at this poster. So this is like rectangular box, and earth the picture was given, and World Environment Day title was given, and the theme was given. So like this you have to mention all the details. Okay, so that's all about our FA1 revision, children. So reading A and reading B, whatever we have discussed from workbook, read everything and learn everything. So write well, prepare well. All the best for your FA1 exams. Thank you.